Well,
उनमें हम खेलते हैं उनके साथ, पाकिस्तान के साथ। जो द्विपक्षीय टूर्नामेंट है, बायलैटरल टूर्नामेंट है, जो आपस में हम खेलते हैं, वो अभी हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं। उसमें हमारा एकदम स्पष्ट कहना है कि जब तक हमें सरकार नहीं कहेगी, सरकार की जब तक अनुमति नहीं होगी, हम वो नहीं खेलेंगे। तो हमारी विजय गोयल जी की बात एकदम एक ही है। जहां तक आईसीसी में मीटिंग का सवाल है, हमारा डायलॉग तो पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड से रहेगा ना, हम उनसे बातचीत तो कर ही रहे हैं, अपनी जो हमारी मजबूरियां उनके सामने रख रहे हैं। तो बातचीत तो हमारी उनके साथ जारी है, बातचीत हम उनसे करेंगे। लेकिन जहां तक द्विपक्षीय सीरीज का सवाल है, आपस में खेलने का सवाल एक दूसरे की धरती पर, वो हम सरकार से पूछ के करेंगे।
But do you think this is the right time to discuss the dialogue with Pakistan
Why
only
not?
in Dubai?
No, no,
Because there are so many things going around.
No,
with the
ICC and these discussions are different. Every month we all are meeting in ICC. There Pakistan is also there. So it's not that way. On international forum everybody is meeting. Nawaz Sharif is meeting. Going to attend some conference. Then our Prime Minister is also there. So it's not an issue. On international forum you can always meet. But at the bilateral level we will only decide anything when government will give us this consent.
Right, sir. Thank you.
what Rajiv Shukla is not answering is, why should the BCCI even say that we don't have a problem in principle playing against Pakistan? Why are they hiding behind that MOU? That MOU is not that difficult to get out of. They can easily legally fight that MOU. There are exit clauses, Shimon, in that, as I was saying earlier. They can employ the top legal minds. Anyways, it was always contingent to government approval. It is basically playing both sides that the BCCI is doing, and they've been caught out this time.
Well, absolutely caught out. In fact, Republic TV has exposed the myth and BCCI farce that it has been taking for a very long time. It has been maintaining that Pakistan, we cannot have a bilateral series because government, we do not have any permission from the government, and we do not want to play Pakistan in a bilateral series. But today, for the first time, it has been exposed that in principle BCCI wants to play Pakistan, and because of that reason, it has first of all signed a MOU with Pakistan, and they want to abide by that MOU, and they do not have any problem having meeting with PCB chief or Pakistan Cricket Board without even taking permission of the government. The BCCI should have, before going to PCB or having a meet, should have got the clearance from the government. They knew that it's not going to happen, so they did not go to the government. Now they are playing the card, the government card, that and trying to convince or trying to be in the good books of ICC that we honor the international commitments, we honor the FTP of international cricket, and we also honor our commitment or MOU signed with Pakistan. So they are trying to be in the good books of them, and also trying to play the government card to make PCB realize that it's not practically possible. But having said that, you cannot take double standards. You cannot take double stand. You are exposed.
Absolutely.
You are internationally exposed. You are nationally also exposed. BCCI must take a stand clear. BCCI must come out with its official release, official statement. Where do they stand? They want to play Pakistan in principle or not?